Welcome all for a new Skill Up TechByte video series which introduces you to new technologies on a weekly basis through a series of short videos. This video is about the human skills needed in this digital transformation era by employees as well as enterprises to sustain and deliver value to their customers. So, let's begin.
People, process, and technology stacks are the essential pillars of any enterprise operating model. The framework was developed in 1960 and describes how the three components interact. Simply stated, people do the work and make use of processes to make work more efficient, and technology tasks and is used for automation. Take any enterprise, it is just revolving around these three pillars, which are people, process and technology, and digital transformation is not an exception. Digital transformation is the process of using digital technology in all business areas, across human interactions and within processes and services to continually improve how organizations deliver value to their customers. So, let's do a deep dive to understand this enterprise model by looking at what exactly is digital transformation is all about. Let's understand digital and IT transformation by looking at their definitions and what value they add to enterprise. Digital transformation involves harnessing the four digital disruptors of social, mobile, analytics, and cloud, together known as the third platform, to do something fundamentally different. Other advances are also coming into play, such as the Internet of Things, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. IT transformation is the modernizing of its information systems, infrastructure, and operating models to improve productivity, decrease technical department, increase velocity, flow, and the quality of what is developed and delivered. When we look at digital transformation from the lens of enterprise model, the first major department which comes up for transformation is IT, which would help the enterprise to achieve its value stream. While more people are talking more about digital transformation and IT transformation, we need to understand that it is not the digital or IT which are of importance, but transformation is the key. So, if transformation is the key and from the three pillars we pick the people, the human asset of the enterprise, let's understand what this transformation means in respective to people. The results of a survey conducted by DevOps Institute with Gartner across the globe just published the report of the top must-have skills needed. What exactly they mean and translate to? Top 5 must-have skill capabilities are: process and framework skills. This skill capability includes a variety of different frameworks and processes applied within IT organizations, namely Agile, DevOps, IT infrastructure library, IT service management in various ways and at different levels within the IT organization to accelerate, improve, and introduce new products and services to the market. Human skills are how we think and who we are, and how we interact with and navigate through situations with others. Technical skills. Industry leaders across the globe agree on the continued growth of cloud, containers, smart infrastructure, security, hyperautomation, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and security, just to name a few. Automation skills. IT operational excellence defines the what of IT transformations, while the technologies define how you will get there. But that is only half of the story, as there are many tasks, events, and processes within IT and the business which can be automated. Automation will provide efficiency. Automation is a critical undertaking as it enables, changes, and adopts how IT and other business units operate. Processes, tasks, and decisions are key targets for automation work. The outcome of automation is to get work done faster, free up staff to focus on more innovative topics, and eliminate human errors. Automation is a subset of innovation. Automation accelerates the delivery of IT infrastructure and applications by automating manual processes. Continuous everything is the future. Automation across software and applications can be done during the plan, design, test, code, deploy, release, and monitor stages. The automation goals should be to reduce technical debt, increase velocity, and incorporate security for quality and reliability. Leadership skills. Modern organizations are enabling autonomous teams. Autonomous teams are several staff members who typically self-organize to accomplish various tasks. These teams have complete independence over what they do, including decision-making around who, what, when, where, and why. They typically govern and control themselves, allocate resources, hire, train, and terminate. They have complete responsibility for a product or service. Hence, to achieve this, enterprises need people with leadership skills. Apart from the above skills, digital skills, business skills, and advanced cognitive skills are also listed as a must-have skills. Global Skill Wheel, which lists the top skill capabilities and top skills under each skill capability. Process and framework skills. DevOps, secure DevOps, agile, site reliability engineering, design thinking or system thinking, value stream management. Human skills. Collaboration and cooperation, problem solving, communication skills, sharing and knowledge transfer, diversity and inclusion. Technology skills. Security and cybersecurity, cloud compute platform, container orchestration, modern compute technology and architecture, application technologies. Automation skills. Continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous delivery, continuous testing, secure ops, secure DevOps, continuous security. Leadership skills. Diplomacy, trust building, empowerment, influencing people and culture, visionary. A typical conceptual must-have operating models for the future enterprises. Holacracy is a method of decentralized management and organizational governance, which claims to distribute authority and decision-making through a holarchy of self-organizing teams rather than being vested in a management hierarchy. Sociocracy is a theory of governance that seeks to create psychologically safe environments and productive organizations. Chaos engineering is the discipline of experimenting on a system to build confidence in the system's capability to withstand turbulent conditions in production. It is a distributed computing system to ensure that it can withstand unexpected disruptions. It relies on concepts underlying chaos theory, which focus on random and unpredictable behavior. Forrester defines value stream management as a combination of people, process, and technology that maps, optimizes, visualizes, and governs business value flow, including epics, stories, work items, through heterogeneous enterprise software delivery pipelines. Value stream management tools are the technology underpinnings of the VSM practice. Design and system thinking. Design thinking refers to a set of cognitive, strategic, and practical procedures used by designers in the process of designing, and to the body of knowledge that has been developed about how people reason when engaging with design problems. Systems thinking is a way of making sense of the complexity of the world by looking at it in terms of wholes and relationships rather than by splitting it down into its parts. It has been used as a way of exploring and developing effective action in complex contexts. SRE. Site Reliability Engineering, SRE, is a set of principles and practices that incorporates aspects of software engineering and applies them to IT infrastructure and operations. The main objectives are to create highly reliable and scalable software systems. Site reliability engineering has been described as a specific implementation of DevOps. DataOps is a set of practices, processes, and technologies that combines an integrated and process-oriented perspective on data with automation and methods from agile software engineering to improve quality, speed, and collaboration and promote a culture of continuous improvement in data analytics. ModelOps, defined by Gartner, is focused primarily on the governance and life cycle management of a wide range of operationalized artificial intelligence and decision models, including machine learning, knowledge graphs, rules, optimization, linguistic and agent-based models. From the above model for this workshop, We will focus on Agile, DevOps, and Secure DevOps and understand the same CI/CD pipeline demos. DevOps means people, process, and the right tools working together to make the product delivery lifecycle faster and more predictable. DevOps is a combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that combine software development with information technology operations. These combined practices enable companies to deliver new application features and improved services to customers at a higher velocity. John Willis and Damon Edwards coined the acronym CAMS in 2010, which was later expanded to COMS by Jez Humble. The five-pillar model of DevOps transformation are culture, automation, lean, measure, sharing. Culture. DevOps embraces change, is constantly seeking feedback to improve, and seeks to take accountability and responsibility, not shirk it or pass it on to other people. A DevOps culture seeks to push decision-making responsibility as close to the edge as opposed to centralizing all decision-making. Secondly, automation. DevOps loves automation. The everything as code mindset is at the heart of DevOps, regardless of the tooling you might use: Git, GitHub, JFrog, SonarQube, OWASP Zap, etc. Lean was born out of manufacturing practices, but in recent time has transformed the world of knowledge work and management. It encourages the practice of continuous improvement and is based on the fundamental idea of respect for people. What gets measured gets done. The build, measure, learn model identifies the key cycle, and without measurement, you can never learn or improve. So measure the things is the key for DevOps approach. Sharing, a focus on breaking down silos between departments and sharing knowledge and best practice. Sharing needs to be encouraged and rewarded, and hoarding of knowledge in silos discouraged. COMS model need to be translated to the below set of actionable tasks under each pillar. They are culture, hearts and minds, embracing change as change brings in more change, identify teams, and provide team training. Automation, automate everything, software, infrastructure, the manual tasks. Lean, focus on producing value for end user, select small batch sizes, test small and fail early, so that it would be easy to fix the errors. Measure everything so that the effectiveness of the process can be evaluated from time to time, show the improvement, continuous monitoring, and continuous feedback. Sharing, share everything, establish an open information sharing culture across teams, cross-team collaboration and communication.
That's all for this short video. Hope it gave you some insights on the topic and enough open items for you to discuss and explore. See you all soon with another topic. Till then, thank you and happy learning.